In a big, big world, there's a continent named Africa. In that big, beautiful continent, there's a union of countries named East African Community. Among those united countries, there is a heart-shaped country named Burundi. In the heart of that gorgeous land of thousand hills, there were born two lovely people who formed AJ family with God's support. From AJ family, there was born a beautiful idea of forming AJ Harmony Community Services committed to supporting people in recovering from daily challenges. The heart of AJ Harmony Community Services, formed by African Burundian Australians, sit in God's hands forever, which is an eternal protection. We are looking forward to seeing you in the lasting life which lies ahead. Thank you.